Now, once we've got our train complete, one of the ways to wow your teacher is to produce something called an orthographic drawing of your design. And this is very quick and easy to do, and it can provide a lot of information, certainly if it's an item that you want to go on and make. So we've got our finished train here. I'm going to go to File, New, Drawing Sheet. And what that gives you is 3 flat views of your train. So we've got a plan view at the top, we've got a front view underneath the top, and to the side we've got an end view. This page is a default setting, it's A3. If you want to change it, we can go to Format. I'm going to drag this down. I'm actually going to choose this A3 option because it gives me more space. I can click and drag one of these and you can see the objects move in relation to each other. And the reason I want to move things around is because I want to create another projected view. So I'm going to click Project, choose the shape, and I'm going to bring that across. So now I've got the front view as well. So now we've got a plan view, a front view of the train, and we can look at it directly from the very front of the train, what would be the actual front of the train, and the back. I can also put in something called a general view, which is how it appeared on our last screen. So now we've got 2 dimensions and 3-dimensional views on the same page. In terms of adding dimensions, I can click on the dimension tool. I'm going to zoom in on this view here. I can click, you can just about see there at the tip of my arrow a little green dot, and click there once. I can click at the very end here twice, and I can bring that down and position the dimension. So very easily I can even select a line and choose another line and do the height. I can choose this body. We know this is round, a cylindrical shape, so choose the body. Okay, it's going to give me the height, or if I do it this way, let's just pan down a bit, it will give me the diameter. Remember, the symbol for diameter is the circle with a line through it. We can do a width, so let's take the width from wheel to wheel, 1 there, 1 there, and I can drop that down. So you can see quite quickly we can build up lots of useful information. If I use the Note command, I can click anywhere on the page and I can type in whatever I want. In this case, I'm going to put in modified train orthographic drawing. Okay, and we can put let's put a date in. Drawn on 19th of May 2013, version 1. It's often useful to put version 1, 2, 3 as you develop, because you can end up with more than one drawing, of course, of the same thing. Right, let's go to Home. So I'm starting to use now these annotation commands, these views, to see what my object looks like in different ways. Have a look at using the cross section, have a look at using breakout details, see what other things do, see what other functions do. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, you can always reverse it. And just to prove that this is still 3-dimensional, if I hold down my mouse wheel to spin the page, just like before, you can see the train is actually just repositioned into those flat views. And anything we change in the original drawing, okay, anything we change from, that's the one we're using. So let's just do something very obvious. Let's go back to design. let's just choose that funnel. Let's just make it really tall. So anything I change in the original drawing changes in this view as well. As you can see, the funnel has grown there. Okay. Yeah, you can see it there. The length of the funnel has changed. So let's just reverse that back, take that back down, go back, and there you can see it's changed. So it's a live link between the actual drawing you've created and your orthographic drawing. Have a go and experiment, see how far you can get.